What's the rush?
Oh, damn. You rushed me to fucking get over here. And now they're your other two.
Dean, there ain't no other two of me.
Sure, you said two?
Well, this is one right here. Look at here, look at here, look at here. This is this, what you call this?
Eggo waffle.
No, I'm just saying,
chicken waffles. What?
Somebody wanted the MILF to do a little bit more home cooking.
What?
Huh? What? Here it is right here. It's the Memphis, MILF''S chicken and waffles.
Anyway,
they're a little crunchy. Look, sound like it.
What you want to be? Soft? I ain't never had 8 chicken waffles together.
Me neither. We not from Cali, homes. Got that damn blackburn maize syrup. Sir. You know this shit been around since 1927?
I don't give a fuck. Open it up. Hurry up, go with your ass.
Damn, I thought you opened it.
No.
I thought Boo ate some of this shit the other day.
No.
God damn, I got to do everything with this. Can't open, sir.
I want you to see that big old breast before I had cut it.
Yeah. Let's see the chicken before I run it.
How you gonna run and go put syrup on?
You know what I'm talking, yeah.
Yes, gross.
That way. That way. Rhythm forks.
This chicken good as hell though. You got syrup in my mouth.
No, I don't.
The chicken good.
Put some flavor in this time. I can get the sweetness in the chicken together. Yeah.
I ain't gonna say you wanna go and slap your mama because your mama hood like me, you get your ass beat. But you wanna go slap somebody after eating your chicken.
I might slap your ass.
You get your ass beat, you heard I said it. I'm like, don't bring your black ass over here.
Why? I don't slap your ass.
That hurt, motherfucker.
There ain't no hurting that big old ass. You know how many times a pound on that thing and pound on how many years?
Shut up, who wants some chicken?
Over 20 years I've been pounding and pounding. It can't hurt that damn thing.
Really?
Really though.
Who wants some chicken? It's good as I'll get out there. I don't know how Papa could like put a piece of chicken in between
That's what I did.
and make a damn waffle sandwich.
Yeah.
They need to make you 2 more of them.
No. I'm not greedy like that.
No more?
Look at him.
What?
That take the place of hot sauce. Yeah. Had you put that Texas Pete.
What's on? What's on?
I'm gonna spit on you. Then gonna burn you with a cigarette.
And I'm gonna put some hot grits on your ass when you go to sleep.
Well, you people don't know. A long time ago.
Oh, God.
Time, that was a motherfucker lied on me. They said I was over here beating on my wife. her with cigarettes. I don't even smoke cigarettes. I guess I would have bought me a pack of cigarettes just to burn her head with.
A little taste.
How the fuck is that?
Don't worry about what's in my damn glass.
What is this, a drumstick with no bone in it?
No.
A boneless drumstick. Have y'all ever seen one?
That's a chicken tongue.
Like a drumstick to me.
What's on the damn drumstick?
What is this?
Some skin.
That's
Black folks don't eat the skin. Eat that damn skin.
I'm a beige, I ain't black. Shit. So I don't eat that skin like that.
You in the black race, eat that damn skin.
Where the hell did it come from? I got skin
It come
all over
off
my
the
chicken.
damn chicken.
What, I got 2 skins? Is this double skin
That's
chicken?
one damn skin. What other skin?
Hey, that's some bullshit. Mother on the phone. Better hurry up and pick it up.
Shut the fuck up. I'm trying to see what a damn skin is.
That's your there it is.
That's one skin out one chicken.
What other one? What chicken is?
I pulled it out the other one.
What a boneless? What a skinless chicken that is?
I pulled it out when I missed out.
Man, no, you didn't, nigga.
This some perfectly good ass skin.
Man, that's some goddamn. You can sell that.
Skin.
Like pig skin, chicken skins. Like hard as that is.
Look
Look how hard that is.
It's seasoned good. Who want to eat some gummy ass skin?
And who wants to eat some shit you done touched? You put that shit back on my plate for?
Cause I want to.
Nasty motherfucker.
Well, I would do that. You like that shit, don't you? Don't you?
Huh?
Fuck you.
Huh?
Fuck you.
Too many people probably hadn't tried this.
I'm one of them.
I'm gonna tackle them. I mean, cause I always hear about old Roscoe's chicken and waffles.
You gonna eat your cornbread?
We never had this shit in New York.
Motherfucker, you ain't from New York.
Did I say I was?
Eat like that, see what's happening. Why?
This for you, Bunzy.
What? Your phone ringing.
I know you gonna always ring when you're doing this. I'm surprised ain't nobody knocking the goddamn door. Sit your ass down somewhere doing that shit.
Ain't bothered you.
Yes, you will. Woo. We need to do the smash or pass challenge. Think you can go through that? You can't. No, you can't.
I'm not gonna get mad when you say you gonna smash.
Well, you will.
That's your ass.
No, it ain't.
That make you a hoe.
What?
That make you a hoe. You wanna smash everybody?
See that? You already got pissy.
I ain't.
Yes, you will.
I don't give a damn.
Yeah, you do.
No, I don't.
Why are you getting all defensive?
Alright, let's do the motherfucker then.
See, now listen at you.
I just say let's do it.
You ain't gotta be that way. Golly.
Let's do it. Don't you get mad.
Man, you know my name title.
They ain't on your birth certificate.
That's on my ghetto certificate.
Shut up, fuck your ass up.
I'm through.
Alright.
Wash down some of this nice cold beverage.
Do that.
Oh, yeah.
Alright.
That was great. That night of my life, boy.
How was your chicken?
Oh, the chicken was wonderful.
You're so damn sarcastic.
I'm not sarcastic. I'm being real. This chicken was great. It's beautiful. Oh, damn, I almost broke the plate. But
Come beat your ass. Y'all close your ass while I beat his ass.
beat the...
I heard your ass. I heard you.
I ain't say nothing. You need to sweep this floor, too.
You need to go to hell.
Hell, it'd probably be cleaner than this damn floor. Look at that shit. A damn leaf.
A leaf.
You damn right.
You sweep the motherfucker up.
You suck Miami.